Hello, I'm Mike May. I'm the product manager for pythoncovers.com. Today I want to introduce the Diamondback series of materials that we have available. We just introduced our Diamondback Lite, we have our Diamondback line of sight, and we have our Diamondback Pro. So I don't want to go through all the differences, the similarities, applications, and other accessories that are available as well. So first I'm going to cover the Diamondback Lite. This material was just introduced, we just brought it to market, and the reason is that we found a gap in the market that we weren't able to service or provide a product to that area of the market because we were too expensive with our Diamondback Pro and Diamondback line of sight. So we came up with an economical version. It still has the solution dyed polyester, it's just not woven as tightly. It still has the very good UV characteristics because it has its solution dyed polyester. Next we have our Diamondback line of sight. This was developed about 3 years ago. We brought that to market. It's got the line down the side indicating that it's line of sight. Line of sight means that there's a European standard, and every hose that is within a specific distance, which is 3 feet, a specific pressure and a specific temperature, should have this particular sleeve on it. What it's going to do is it's going to protect the operator and it's going to protect the machinery that it's on. Again, this is solution dyed polyester, so it's very good for UV and it's awesome for abrasion protection. The Diamondback Pro is the same material as our Diamondback line of sight, so this is rated for line of sight as well. Very good abrasion protection, but we put it up differently, so it offers you the diamond shape. And what that does is it's easy for installation. You'll be able to roll it up, cut it off, and it has the diamond shape, and you'll be able to slide the hoses freely through there, and then you can clamp the ends onto the hose. We also have 2 dispensers available now. We have our yellow metal dispenser, which we've offered for years, and now introducing with our Diamondback Lite is our plastic dispenser. Both dispensers work for the Lite, the line of sight, and the Pro material. You just put the dividers where you want to put them, and then you can put your rolls in there wherever you want to put them as well. The rolls on all 3 series are in 300-foot increments, except for the Diamondback Pro. That's 150 foot. When we put it up, it gets a little bit thicker, so your roll is going to be 150 feet versus 300. Diamondback Lite and the Diamondback Pro are offered in DBK 017, which is about 5/8 ID, all the way up to about 2.88, which is almost a 3-inch ID. The Diamondback line of sight is offered from 5/8 of an inch ID all the way up to about 5-inch ID. If you have any questions or want more information from our sales team, visit us at pythoncovers.com.